Yes, quick invite po, Engineer Nelson Salazar, please. Invite niyo po sa mga pupunta sa Mapua this weekend.
Kayo ho ay iniimbitahan namin na kung may pagkakataon na makover ninyo itong event. Even ang ceremonial po will be done by GM Torre and the President of Mapua, Dr. Maestri Campo. And the other one, we invited General Torre. Kamag-anak ko yung may information. Nicholas Torre is a cousin of relative ni Eugene. And siya ho ay dating Mapua. Third year siya sa Mapua bago siya pumunta ng PNPA. Last Centennial Chess, nandoon ho siya. Ngayon, invited din namin sila na dumalo sa pagtitipon. So, we are inviting you to this event on June 27, Sabado at 1 p.m.
Salamat po, Engineer Nelson. Si Engineer Elias ang naman, siya po yung President, Past President and Trustee po ng Mapua Philchoy Alumni.
Yeah, actually, in behalf of our President, Engineer Agustin Ocampo, and our Trustee Chairman, Engineer Edmond Aguilar, we would like to thank the PSA for this opportunity for us to inform everyone that we have our June 27 chess tournament in honor of our first Asian Grandmaster Eugene Torre and in celebration of our 50th anniversary this year.
Salamat po. And of course, GM Eugene, mensahe niyo po. Nice to have you back here at the PSA Forum po.
Oo, sa Philippine Sports Writers Association. Thank you very much sa inyong lahat. Of course, sa Mapua Group and yung mga sports writers. Thank you very much sa inyong suporta. Dahil sa inyo, napopromote ang sports, alam naman natin na very important ang sports. It's a discipline. And natutuwa ako na kasama yung chess sa pag-suporta ninyo and all the disciplines. Alam niyo, kayong mga sports writers, hindi nyo lang alam yung laki ng inyong contribution para ma-promote ang discipline. Very important talaga yung discipline. Kaya ako, disiplinado din ako ni Marlene. Kaya malaking bagay yan pag nalidisiplina tayo. Okay? Thank you very much. Mabuhay.
Mabuhay po. Salamat. GM Eugene Torre, Engineer Elias, and Engineer Nelson. Sige, pakita niyo po lang dito. Pakita niyo po. Ay, baliktad po. Ayan. Pakita natin yan po yung kanilang poster for this coming event. Dr. Eugene Torre, Rapid Chess, okay, Philchoy Golden Anniversary Edition. Ayan. So, ayan, photo op din po. Maraming salamat sa ngalan po ng ating PSA, lahat ng mga miyembro, Discipline Judy Caringal. Until next Tuesday for another edition of the PSA Forum.
Thank you.